Let's be honest, you don't have 6 months to reinvent yourself. You have 3 days, maybe a weekend. And you want results, visible ones. This isn't a love yourself through the process kind of video. This is pull it together, fix it, and walk out looking like a new tax bracket. The truth is, a glow up doesn't take forever. It takes focus, consistency, and a little delusion. You don't need a new face. You just need to stop neglecting the one you already have. So if you're ready to look expensive, calm, and slightly intimidating, here's how to become disgustingly hot in 3 days. Day 1, detox and reset. This is the cleanup phase. You can't glow if you're still carrying 3 layers of old lotion and bad decisions. Start with a shower that feels like an exorcism. Use hot water first to open pores, then cool water at the end to seal the deal. Exfoliate, sugar scrub, coffee scrub, whatever makes you feel brand new. Shave if you want to, condition your hair, brush out the dry ends, deep clean your scalp. You're washing off everything that made you feel dull, lazy, or chaotic. When you step out, moisturize like rent is due. Body oil plus lotion combo. You want that glass skin glow from the neck down. Next, tackle your environment. You can't glow in clutter. Clean your room, change your sheets, wipe down your mirror. Throw out old beauty products that expired in 2022. Then, detox your mind. Turn your phone on, do not disturb. No gossip, no doom scrolling, no drama for 24 hours. Hot energy thrives in silence. Finally, hydrate. Water, fruit, greens, nothing fancy. You're flushing out inflammation and resetting your skin barrier from the inside. By the end of day 1, your skin looks alive again, your space smells clean, and your energy feels expensive. Day 2, maintenance is the makeover. Now we focus on what people actually notice. Skin. Do your full skincare routine. Cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, SPF. Morning and night. No skipping. Add an ice cube facial or a sheet mask if you want instant radiance. Hair. Moisturize, trim flyaways, style it cleanly. Sleek bun, blowout, braids. Just make it neat. Messy hair gives lazy energy, and we retired that yesterday. Nails. Clean, trimmed, and polished. Even clear gloss counts. You use your hands all day. They're part of the presentation. Teeth. Whitening strips, tongue scraper, mouthwash. Your breath should whisper, wealth. Brows plus lashes. Groom your brows. Brush them upward. Curl your lashes. Apply a thin coat of mascara. Open eyes equals open face equals instant glow. Then pick your signature scent. Not 5, just 1. Something that smells clean, confident, and unforgettable. Layer it. Body wash, lotion, oil, perfume, mist on clothes. You don't smell good by accident, you smell good by design. And finally, drink water, stretch, sleep early. Hot girls don't brag about exhaustion. They brag about 8 hours of rest and clear skin. By the end of day 2, your reflection looks smoother, your scent trail is criminal, and you're starting to move differently. Day 3, energy and presentation. Now we turn polish into presence. Posture. Straighten your back, shoulders down, chin up. You can wear a $10 outfit and still look like a million, if you stand like one. Voice. Slow down when you speak. Hot energy doesn't rush. Say less, pause more, and let silence make people listen. Outfit. Pick clothes that fit. Not too tight, not hiding your body. Framed, not squeezed. Neutrals always look rich, but color confidence works if you own it. Iron everything. Wrinkles cancel beauty faster than bad lighting. Accessories. Gold hoops, dainty necklace, clean bag. Not overdone, just intentional. Skin and makeup. Minimal, glowing, fresh. Concealer, blush, gloss, mascara, done. You're not masking your face, you're upgrading it. Then handle your environment again. A hot girl glow up dies in a messy room. Keep it clean, light a candle, Play music that makes you feel expensive. And here's the secret weapon: eye contact and micro-expressions. Hold someone's gaze half a second longer. Smile slowly, not nervously. Listen without trying to fill silence. Attractive people have self-control. It's hypnotic. Finish the day by journaling or filming a short clip of yourself. Look at the difference between day 1 and day 3. The glow isn't the makeup, it's the discipline. So here's your 3-day formula. Day 1, detox and reset. You can't glow if you're clogged. Day 2, maintenance is the makeover. Small, clean habits equals visible results. Day 3, energy and presentation. Your aura needs as much styling as your outfit. You don't need to disappear for months to have a transformation. You just need 3 focused days to remember who you are and act like her. Looking disgustingly hot isn't vanity, it's alignment. When you look like you take yourself seriously, the world does too. Now go glow so hard they ask if you're in love.